What is drone with GPS? A GPS drone is a UAV, unmanned aerial vehicle, equipped with a global positioning system module, allowing it to pinpoint its precise geographical location using satellite connections. This technology enhances navigation, stability, and flight automation, making GPS drones ideal for tasks like mapping, photography, and surveying. By linking to orbiting satellites, GPS drones can follow predefined routes, return to their launch point with precision, and maintain stability in various conditions. As of 2024, GPS drones are widely used in industries such as agriculture, construction, delivery, and emergency response due to their accuracy and reliability.